Welcome to Jamaica.
09 with you ready.
2709er, signs for tower, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 12 knots.
Go 07 West at 2709.
Airborne 38, contact radar. Welcome today.
Runway West at 2709, good day. Wings 3780 ready for takeoff.
3780, signs for tower, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
For runway 07, Spirit Wings 3780.
Contact radar 120.8 today.
120.8, Spirit Wings 3780.
21, clear to line runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
07 cleared at 91.
110 Victor Echo.
0 Victor Echo, thanks for tower. Continue final, runway 07.
07 November 110 Victor Echo.
To 1952, vacate taxiway Alpha, when clear, contact ground 1217.
7 on Alpha, carry that, thank you.
10 Victor Echo, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 07 November 110 Victor Echo. RNAV runway 7.
333, thanks for tower. Continue approach runway 07.
Runway 07, turn range 833.
Victor Echo 57, vacate Charlie. Confirm parking at the western ramp.
Charlie at A firm, going to 1 Alpha.
Okay, Roger. Taxi Charlie Alpha to 1 Alpha. Monitor ground 1217.
Charlie, taxi Alpha to the western ramp. Correct, I'll be going to 1 Bravo, November 110 Victor Echo.
33, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
07, clear to land, turn range 833.
Good morning, Cobra 146. Passing Ukraine for RMP 07.
46, thanks for tower. Continue approach runway 07.
07, Cobra 146.
Retreat Sierra 1600, vacate Alpha, gate number.
Gate Alpha, gate 4, turn range 833.
Roger, taxi Alpha to gate 4, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha Zulu gate 4 and monitor ground 21
46, clear to land runway 07, wind 050, 14 knots.
07, Cobra 146.
Three thanks for tower, continue approach, runway 07. Traffic here following is a Boeing 737, 2 miles final.
307, following traffic, 135.
Thanks for tower, continue approach, runway 07. 6 arrived at 03, vacate on Alpha. What is your gate number?
Alpha and Winham gate number to go for 146.
Alpha hold short of Echo.
Alpha, hold short of Echo, go for 146.
503, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
07, traffic, 503.
4, taxi Alpha Echo to gate 14, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha Echo to gate 14, monitor ground 1217, go for 146.
982 traffic coming up on your left. Cessna 172 proceeding eastbound, level at 1000. Traffic will remain north and clear of the approach path.
Okay, we are looking, so no visual for Canada 982. Hotel 6 Thunder Alpha, 7 miles to the west, line to the left, so left is runway 07.
Tango Alpha, thanks for the tower, roger. Proceed left base, traffic you're following, Boeing 737, now 6 miles final, descending out at 2,500. Arrived at 07, vacate Bravo, continue taxiing Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground 1217.
Bravo, Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground, 1217, South 503.
Slater, Canada 982.
Roger. Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Land runway 07 for Canada 982. Continue approach runway 07. Approach 07, Delta 195. Proceed to final Alpha.
Affirm. And 982 arrive 10, vacate on Alpha, vacate number.
On Alpha, we're gate 18 today for Canada 982.
The Alpha Echo gate 18, monitor ground 1217.
Echo to gate 18, we'll monitor ground for Canada 982.
So wind 050 degrees, 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land 07, 6 Alpha.
11 vacate Delta. Give way to the stab on Alpha, taxi Alpha to the ramp. Monitor ground 1217.
And Delta, give way to the SRAM and then Alpha to the ramp, 6 platform.
55, clear to land runway 07, wind 0503, 14 knots.
And 07, Delta 1955.
Gate number.
Golf, looks like we have Golf 17, Delta 1955.
Taxi Alpha Echo Foxtrot Gate 17, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha Echo Foxtrot to the gate and monitor ground point 7, Delta 1955.
On time 19 vacate Charlie, contact ground 121.17.
21-7, American 2059. Tower JetBlue 280 holding short runway 7 ready for departure.
JetBlue 280, line up on weight runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 280.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 032 degrees 6 knots.
7, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 280.
7280, Warren 27 contact, San Jose, radar 120.8.
0.8, so long, Kappa 280.